Most people waste years trying to figure out how to build an online business. In this video, I'm showing you exactly how I'm creating a 10K per month online community from scratch, using Skool as my platform. Now, this is not theory, this is real, and you're going to see how I build it step by step. I chose Skool because it's the best platform for building online communities that actually make money. You can host courses, run challenges, track progress, and most importantly, build a group of people who support each other. Unlike Facebook groups or Discord, Skool is designed for learning and community growth, and that's the foundation of my 10K per month plan. So how do you turn that into 10K a month? Simple math. My community is currently $15 per month. With just 700 members, that's over $10,000 per month predictable recurring revenue. The goal is simple. Keep it affordable. Provide high value content and make the community the place people actually want to stay long term. To get members, you need traffic. And for me, that means YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. I repurpose content so one message goes out across all platforms. That way, I maximize the reach without burning out. Every video and every post points back to the community because content is the engine and the community is the destination. The growth path is clear. Start with beginners who want to learn how to build digital income. Give them quick wins, then offer them deeper training, accountability, and advanced skills as they grow. That's how you build retention and why Skool is perfect for this. People can grow step by step inside the same platform. Here's why I created Digital Freedom Alliance, or DFA for short. A year ago, I was stuck in a failing auto brokerage business. Money was running out, my mother's care costs were piling up, and my kids, grown adults, still depend on their father. I tried program after program online, but they overpromised and mainly underdelivered. And that's the frustration that became fuel. DFA is about real skills, real support, and real freedom. No hype, no empty promises, just the tools and the guidance you need to build your own income online. Let's take a look inside of DFA on the Skool network right now. Now we are inside of DFA. As you can see from the Classroom tab, I just want to kind of give you some information here. Initially, the community overall, this is where the community posts are placed. And the community is a growing community. I just started this a couple of weeks ago, and I literally started talking about it a week ago. So with that being said, this is brand new, but these individuals have come in, they have joined DFA because they are all looking to take this opportunity to maximize and start making money online. So I want to show you how I've got this set up. I've got my different tabs here for different conversations. General tab, our wins and testimonials, our gems, like sharing tips and tricks, and off-topic discussions. So we can do that obviously in that section. What I want to show you next is the classroom portion. Now that's where we talk about the classroom, where you're going to be getting your training from. So in this start here section, I built out pieces to this. You're coming in here and you're gaining the information that's going to help you set in motion the wheels that are going to get you putting out the right information, understanding who you're speaking to and what you're trying to say to them. Okay, so that's just for the start. Here you've got resources. These are resources, many of them that I created myself. This daily freedom blueprint is an area where you can take this blueprint, you can edit it yourself. This uses Canva, so it goes to Canva, and you can edit that yourself to what you want it to say and use that. I have other things that I've created over my 6 months of doing digital marketing, and I've created products. And so that's what you're seeing here are those products. Inside of the next section here for the ebook creation, this is where you're creating your very first ebook. A lot of people come into digital marketing and they want to do so many different things, but I think one of the foundational pieces that you can do really easily and it doesn't take too much effort is creating your own ebook. And when you create your own product, you know it very well, you can convey that message to people very well, and subsequently you can start selling that product. So that's where my starting place is, but I give you information on that process, how to put it all together. Going into the next section, I've gone viral, especially on TikTok, many a times. And so my last viral video did 500,000 views, or almost 600,000 views on TikTok, and it's right now at 3.1 million on Instagram. So I took that information, broke it down so that you could actually see what it's about, and maybe take some of that and use it in your own videos going forward. All right. Social media, this is where I'm still working on this, how I've set this up. But what I've done is I've set up pieces here where I show you how to grow fast on TikTok. So I give you a method on growing fast in TikTok. And then I also go into some of the how-tos, the after the basics, the immediate, and Instagram is still being built out. So I just wanted to show you that information. And Beacon Storefront. I use Beacons to create my storefront. For those of you who have other platforms, you can still use other platforms, but Beacons is the one that I use at this current moment. So that's the one I mainly talk about, and that's the one I promote. Okay, I've got my video replays. Now, I've only done a couple of them, and I don't have all of them up here, but these are replays from the members inside of the group as we've had sessions, and that's where the information for those sessions go. So you'd see that if you were in the room, you would see that information. And then I've got more information coming on clarity, on offers, content, growth, freedom, and the 10K view method, which is something that I came up with over time of how to take your videos from 0 to 10K views. So all of that is inside of the group. I've got my calendar entries here where I put in the different things that we are doing online for our Q&A sessions. As you can see, I've got members. Not going to go into that just because that's personal for people and they paid, so I don't want to show that. But here's the information for the leaderboards. So this is the area where people are in here and they are commenting and starting the communication of the group that we are growing together. I forgot to show where I stand right now. So where I stand at the moment is 16 members at a MRR, of $240 per month. That's where I am right now. So I wanted to make sure to give you that information. And most recently, I've been running some traffic. My actual conversion rate was actually 5%, but I've been running traffic on a new campaign. I don't run a lot of traffic. In fact, I mainly am 99% organic, but I decided because something that I was doing kind of went well and I thought it would do well here, but it hasn't. So with that being said, over the past 7 days, I believe is what this amounts to. I've had 6 signups over the last 7 days. So that's pretty much almost 1 a day. And then, and that's where I am. So at this point, I wanted to make sure to kind of show some of this. I'm in the category under discovery of the Skool network. They have a discovery area where you can be discovered by people who are looking to join different things. So I'm in there and I'm under the money category and I'm right now ranked at 3,965. So that's currently where I am. And that's exactly what's going forward. So at this time, again, you guys know the pricing. I have this at $15 per month, and the one that's free is me. So that's why it says there. But for those of you who are here, now you understand exactly what I am doing. You understand exactly where I am at this moment. I just wanted to make that clear. The last portion here is what you will see when you go to the About section. It gives you a video here that plays in the background. That video is a very important video. I would definitely watch that. But once you watch that video, when you're ready to get started, this would actually say that it's $15 per month. It doesn't say it there. It says it over here because I'm already a member. But that's where you could get started at $15 a month. And we would love to have you. So now that you have all the information on that, I'm going to take you back. So here's my invite. Don't just watch me build this 10K per month Skool community. Come build with me. Inside the Digital Freedom Alliance, you'll get weekly live Q&A calls, step-by-step digital marketing training, and a supportive community that actually helps you grow. It's just $15 per month right now. And if you join today, that price is locked in for life. Click the link in the description to join DFA today, and let's build your freedom together. I know I'll see you on the inside.